Bring you heaven. 48 counts, 3 walls, high intermediate, phrased, rolling 8. Wait on the left. Part A, total 32 counts. Part A always start facing 12 and end facing 6, and then follow Part B. Section 1. Right and left light twinkle, cross side rock, cross side rock. Weave, cross side behind, quarter forward facing 9. Step half, half back with sweep. Behind 1/8 side point facing 10:30. Recover to left, 1/8 sweep, back to 9. Section 2. 5/8 diamond following, cross side diagonal back, behind side diagonal forward, forward side diagonal back facing 4:30, coaster step. Right foot, slow rock, recover, 1 and 1/8 rolling turn. 3 forward, half back facing 3, sweep 1/4 side rock, recover, now facing 6. Count Part A, Section 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Part A, Section 3. Right and left sailor, traveling slightly back. Behind side rock, behind side rock, behind with sweep, behind side cross, launch to the right, 1 1/4 turn, quarter forward, half back, half forward with sweep, facing 3. Section 4, right and left samba collect, cross side together, facing right diagonal, cross side together, facing left diagonal, cross side behind with sweep, behind side cross. Total 3/4 turn, quarter back, half forward. This is the end of Part A. Count Part A, Section 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Part B, total 16 counts. First B, start facing 6 and end facing 9. Part B, Section 1. Right foot, rock, recover, half forward facing 12. Left foot, rock, recover, half forward facing 6. Forward on right, scuff and hitch, 2 back, left, right. A slow back rock, recover, a quick quarter side, facing 9. Section 2, behind with sweep, behind side. Left cross rock, recover side. Right cross rock, recover side. Forward on left, prepping for full turn. Half back, half forward, back to 9. This is the end of Part B. Count Part B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whole dance count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, second beat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you repeat A, B, B. The third A, 16 counts, restart. Third A, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Start part B. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you finish 2B. The third B, only 4 counts to ending. Last B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. End of the whole dance.